Welcome to DANMARC FARMS, a 3,200 sow operation here in Quebec. The initial project started in the year 2000. In 2023, the owners of DANMARC Farm decided to add in agrimesh to optimize the environment for the 29 rooms in the facility, 22 of them being farrowing rooms. Since the installation of the agrimesh system, Pascal, the farm manager, has noticed better environment in all 29 rooms. With the remote access, he finds it's a lot easier to manage the facility. Pascal mentioned that the pigs look a lot more comfortable because the system is constantly reaching the set points requested in the growth chart. Also, he's noticed considerable savings for heat usage and fan usage. Pascal is the only one that has access to making changes in the system. The employees can no longer make changes directly on the control. It has led to less human error. agrimesh is proud to partner with DANMARC Farms for the optimization of their facility, and we thank them for their trust.